guys, we're back with another nighttime video. Only can mean one thing. It's another head-to-head. Don't even know if you can see it. But with the VXR. I'm gonna drive to a meeting point and then get some panel shots onto the good stuff. Freezing tonight. Let's get it started up. We're here, ready for head-to-head round 2. It's going to be very interesting, this one, both running the same power. Weight to ratio is going to be put to its test basically, because we've got obviously mine, which is 260 brake horsepower, 300 foot-pound of torque, and also we've got an Astra vxr Stage 1, 260 brake horsepower, 300 foot-pound of torque. So this one I am looking forward to doing. Very interested in this, to be fair. Got true weight to ratio test. We're going to do a couple of pulls, mainly in second gear, but we're going to do some pulls in second gear. Second gear, probably do a third gear pull, but I'll put that in the description. I mean bottom, somewhere down here. So yeah, let's go and find a quiet road with no police officers, and let's go. That's that foot pulse. As you've probably seen, a shit ton of smoke come out of this fucking motherfucker. Got no coolant left. So yeah, this one ended, you could say, in a tragedy. It is. Handy look, don't know if you can see it. Splashed all up back at car. So now we need to try and figure out a way to get home. Probably, oh wait, that pipe does feel right flimsy. Oh, it's split, I am. Anyway, I'm going to end this one here. I'll keep you all updated. See you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe for the car. It's just actually feeling sorry for itself. Peace. I think we've found the culprit. Dun dun dun. Blow another pipe off. We managed to get pipe back on. Filled up with coolant. Took a steady drive home. Let's, fingers crossed it stays on and we get home. Well, we've made it home. Just going to check coolant. If anybody else has had this problem before with that back pipe coming off, what you've done to prevent it like in future, let me know. I'm going to get it at a garage, see what they can do. It's just literally pushed it in. Let's have a look. Check this coolant level. Oh, that's dropped again. Yeah. Get it booked in. This is nothing major.